Biavana manumwa nchumuliri on Ndizi TV nande nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabana marawa karongo kwaria ni asemesa yamangana maya erindu mayana lende wateka ime na isiko ya Gusii anekero umurubiruri African Creme Summit yandede asamaga cha KICC sensemeli ya Nairobi asabarai baikiranire asumayego yu osiori gubene numuraibwense Dr. William Ruto ekarondo jena United Nations Secretary General Utales ni gobono anyari kawe ka sense ya Kenya anekraro biririgo chigikirana asumayega oyu lituko liangi abarai bado anyari gukwana asumurubiri oyu ni gobanyare bagote abuna nerebu ya Chinse go chamana kubeke miroberio erigo kwene kibuna ogo change kweriro kwabere koserio kolene ucha Chinse ngoligererigwa kole boyigo siritukolero aba orokiwa bari Oswasi University nigo bacha kirebene Oswasi University jo anekero Oswasi University ya Kisii boyigo umurubiri bukolika abagotu amana bari batari kwenyara agose bari no baremani gogendera gosini gogenderede asichinsemo ime yense yeito ya Kenya yungati yana kwareni asichinse jiga asenjira yuko ya chuta endingi chuko ikiranirie asenjira ochuko soiganyara asenjira yubukira wikroga ense ya muyabona marwa konda Chinsa Ikomi nenjireli yokonyara asenjira yuko ya chuta nigo tokubatira na bugari nyanja mane kuna maliogine chibicha gochira asenjira ya bene asensemo y'umuntu w'umunyererio no Joshua Utale haina kinero ko yareteire kero nko yareta ninje Brighton Makori ekero bono togoya jaka nigo togoya jaka kurwase University ya Kisii ekero bono aborokiwa banyarire bakosoa ororo bali bo mwaka mutangani anena sogo chiko chaka amasomo abo asomwa kumutangani ase University eyo korengana no bodiro nyadero ko bwato kwa ne ministry yejisemi University ya Kisii gati University jiri asense ya Kenya chanyorete omubaro omonge bwa borokiwa asiritko lialero bake banyara bakwika as University yo asogo chaka bena masomo abo ekarumuroberio yubo kosoa as University okagire kwenda litko liangyo ne litko liangyo ane litko lya Jumatano asumuroberio ubwokwelikia na kwenda na masomo abo buna omurachestra we University yo Joas Kerongo hagutomanya ekarumulikito andre tutwari ni roboti urwasenjera yubekirano
itukolia lero italikinye watu walenge kwaligania abana bagotumwa ku mutangani first years na itukolia lero kurwa twajagete Chinsa cha mambia 12 ange gwika Chinsa isano na emo gakonya twaliganiria abana chiri bisano na emo nichiminye asa abana balia twaliganitie konyora ange gwetani chiri 10 na bozo tatagotebanga ayonsi ganyalikanira singencho University ya Rostimiro Design ibinte binge gobya tumia technology iva abana banonya bale goja bonsikiri 10 abantu balengere diko bali gatikulia lero irinde baswaso mu University baswasa masomo nabo igo balia batara apply banyora scholarship was a help loan twa begete na nero red desk asaba gokonyo abo bale gokonyo bakora application irinde banyorera obokonyi kurwa serikali
na mono mweso koligereria tu abariganire no twenga ko Chinsa Ikomi na machama na mono mirogeri abangire no mutendero itu kwechisemi Dr. Josh Kerongo nigo yangembia sana abana mbabekire baho ko arigani kurgeita nonye nkwanya gochaiga aye bolinge geita ke university ngeke kuna waikabu nigo ko ariganirwa kworokererigwa paka waika gwakol
Ekerobono ayuagendrete keraborokiwa bakarigosas University anenasi University ya Kisii nigo aborokiwa ubagendrete kwene kibunangwa kana bariji school fees anene asebengi ya national ekero ba kwene kibuno muroberio yo kiranire asenjira yubikirano bigo mulikito dibuna sanya na dotware ne robot yoru asomotenelio monene bwebengi ya national anyarire kagotwerera na kibabe kire muroberio eri kwene kibuna aborokiwa abo nkoikirani bare muroberio yabo buya asugwa kana school fees nyuma bataraso agosimagiga bataraso University
acha wikienda tuendelea na wakati University tukabanga na kitogo ikirani tukasa Elinde baka never say ave so wangu to avoid these long queues. Ese branch ita ndo kwata for terrace pale active. Na ende to ga extra mile ko invite National Bank agents batano ndo wabegete ga vacancy desk on the sidelines kwa sababu abana kuja baka fees. Na isika ndo kwata babere bago sangalie school fees ya Kisii University ne agent yondinale angena family bank no yonde besides KCB no yonde na Kisii University main campus. So in total it was 9 agents and big agents very very active ko include na staff the hotel at those are 13 people bago serve students of Kisii University. Amaya security to enhance security, armed security, utambia tukutura wabere, lakini mtu amenta wabere saiti patini iskaria, utanga wana wabegete kiu, unitaba udeveza. Wanyemba wale unarmed, wale the services, mtu gatoya moma, ukuna kwa coordinator wakuna kurobera, na bande patatumbali iskaria, na wanaba kwa nyeso kubaka wanafunzi, na kioko movement ya wele so simulasi. Umana utayo efisiye kunyago sangi acha
iyo bokorika bali bawujigoswa somorobiri bwe serikali oinwa jamii oyorengede korika abagotu nabali batali kwenyara gose bali babwa bali no balema Chinsa ya Kenya nigo bonogendera ase county ya Nyamira sensemo ya Nyamira South imeyegeti ya Chamul Gardens sababu sabe serikali banyarire bakobori bali bakorikiwa asomurobiro yotangainu nonde bwenzi bunanguru bale gendo gakeba maye kuriku ase umurobiro bigo nigo bali bakorikiwa asomurobiro basemi ubuna ekobara chikonyora chibese cyabo cyakiromotenyi bachitumeke buya nonde bwenzi tabangaina asoko balianani eningo yabo
kutoa hata tone ama ili asajiliwe. Ili ni zoezi ambalo ni huru na limegharamiwa na serikali, na kama vile wananchi unajua, kama serikali inaweza kutoa kitu ya kukusaidia wewe kila mwezi, itakuja kukuitisha hela zako ili usajiliwe. Kwa nini? Kwa hivyo tuko hapa idara ya usalama na tuko macho kwa wale matapeli, wale wahuni ambao wamekuwa akidanganya watu, na tumefungua desk pale. Ukiambiwa na mtu yeyote ukuje ati ya kusajili umpatie kitu, ufahamishwe ili tuchukulie watu kama hao hatua. Tunataka hili zoezi liendelee bila tatizo na bila jambo lolote ambalo linahusu ufisadi, kwa sababu kusema hatutaki ufisadi ni kauli moja ya serikali yetu ya Kenya Kwanza.
No marema amana jitakana pia bagoto dinde banyora shilingi 2000 kilomotieni echo kirabeje ko bakawanya elinde
Kerobo igomorobiri yogendera se county ya Nyamira se county ya Kisii naro turatigara maiga sabamenyi bensemo ya Gusii kiyigotoka se bunge ya tutu ya Jinoti county ya Kisii na barabo banyara bakuru birengera byabo igoro y'umurobiri oyunga kyokenderede asensemeyo aseba aboliri abantu bali baikirinde n'emyaka yo kulikwa banyare bakwegwa libaga lyabo lyabene omoyigo yo ni gose ni gabaya kwanayo asomusangano bwe barasa oyokorekana asensemeyo oyunyara ko kananwa no mo county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Anchere.
Ile bwana commissioner, tumechengea maaskari wetu. Wakulima walisema maaskari wapewe shamba hapa ili walete security kwa kahawa. Sio, tunasema ni asante sana na kuomba bwana commissioner, nafikiri mambo ile tumemaliza kuchengwa hivi karibuni. Maaskari wetu wahamishwa hapa ili watujungie kahawa yetu na mambo ingine ya security. Sitaenda mbali sana, ningependa kumuomba chairman wa CTF vile mmeana kumejengwa pale, maji iko hapa, upange na ofisi yako maaskari wapate maji huko ya kunywa. Kuna mfereji wa maji hapa, tumeweka huko, itakuwa sawa sawa.
Kerobona umusangano oli Africa Summit African Climate Summit ogendrede as county ya Nairobi anena samaga ja KCC ni go bali osebali bakwegero bwene bomanya bantu banyarire bakomo cyumusangano yasuba batyabu no musangano ini go segetirege siasa asiba boliri go sebatebru na bantu bange mbaye turibaga aliyo ikerana asumusangano yu elikuru ibirengere byabo igoro yali atakire kobekwa na kurigererwa asogo chenji kwelire asensemo ya Africa nensengema.
We do not see climate change as a problem in isolation, nor as a simple equation of particles in the atmosphere, but rather as the result of a fundamentally broken system of power, politics, and economics, which has put elite interests ahead of the people's and allowed the crossing of fundamental natural and social boundaries in the name of profit. This cannot be solved through technology changes alone, but requires a fundamental system change to our societies. Radical change, not transquisling, gradualism. We cannot afford baby steps and edits around edges. The scale and speed of change needed is unprecedented and cannot be achieved through
ayubono kagendrede murubirio yuno gendra gusumusankano ino gendra buya ase county yu ya Nairobi asamaga jakya ICC asumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto aikerana na gosioli beno murubirio yu asebona aboliri abonto bonsi korwa sorongo rwa Afrika go chamo na kuboterana iriko ligichinjera kiranyala chigokonya ogochenchi kwerire.
My call to everyone present in this historic summit is for us to work together and converge our efforts on African priorities. I urge everyone to make a contribution to our generation's unprecedented and highly consequential endeavor to catalyze climate action in a spirit of candor, collaboration, and courage. Let us imagine a pathway for different financial structures that can deliver on Africa's goals. Let us commit to invest in viable solutions presented by renewable energy, green industrialization, climate-smart agriculture, and nature conservation. I am confident that we are all inspired by the possibilities before us and galvanized by the demands of this critical time to engage productively, collaborate successfully, and conclude the Africa Summit with a Nairobi Declaration on green growth and climate finance agenda that will commit us to pursue a climate positive.
Gokwana sumusankano yo bu Africa Climate Summit omowasiri bwebinto birwitwetana inamo no gochenji kwelire amo namanani soibani tuya nerenganyarika okwanira obuya bw'omusangano yo asathiruna amaya na charwe sumusankano yo oyora akonye asokoliria ngakyo chenji kwelire korabekiro meroberio elia bakenya ninse ya Africa sinsamo cha Africa nyare chigokonyeka.
Excellencies, honorable colleagues, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, that moment is finally here with us. And I wish to express my profound gratitude to the African Union Commission as co-hosts of this summit, and especially to my sister Ambassador Josepha Sako, who together with her talented and dedicated team made sure that we were in strict adherence to the African Union instruments governing the hosting of summits. I am also very indebted to my colleague ministers of environment who have shown tremendous support and guidance and insight throughout this journey. The same goes to the African group of negotiators who have been guiding us through.
Boigo abasahe bali banyara bawikirana asumusankano yubakura wana Elizabeth Watuti abaraboni go banyare bago kwana na kobori abasahe banyare bakwegwa libaga abarabu na kolete birengere byabo gususange birengere byabo igoro yali arabekwe asogo chenji kwelire kerate na basae na barambata kire kwewa libagerio.
And I, Elizabeth Wathuti, from the host country of Kenya, the land of beautiful landscapes and the greatest marathoners, as representatives of the African Youth Climate Assembly, to underscore the urgency of addressing climate change and its profound impact on Africa's youth. Our declaration, the African Youth Climate Declaration, reflects our commitment to harness the power of our youth to drive meaningful change. The African Youth Climate Assembly's vision is rooted in inclusivity, resilience, innovation, and the conviction that young people are one of the biggest resources that Africa is endowed with. We seek to elevate youth participation and inclusion in climate governance, forging pathways towards sustainable development and green growth. And we urge you, our esteemed leaders.
Kerawano Kenya ere abarigani bomosankano yo Africa climate change niga barai bari banyar bago kwana samagaja KCC banyar bago togia neno marai buense aso kwena kwena umurobelio yingo korekano nando chikoreta matunda anene asogo chenji go sekorigelia aliara abekwe asogo chenji kwelire ime ya Africa nensengima.
I want to thank the Kenyan government and personally President Ruto for his leadership and vision in bringing us here together. And I want special recognition for Minister Soipan Tuya for her work and efforts in helping to organize both the summit and the climate weeks. This summit for Africa, by Africa, will help us tackle the climate crisis we see and feel all around the world. I speak to you today not just as the head of the UNFCCC, but as the former minister from a developing country. So let us talk about what we can do to stabilize the climate and build resilient societies in Africa and throughout the world. Development is
Omajumuri wanotiga ngolera abwa ye Chinsa Ikomi konde nyora na nuchwa nyora yamana mange gekoraga ense yamayabana marwaba asemanyi Jumatatu gere timu yemanyi ndoje yeroberi kabisa kwene kinambo joro koletera ayu asenjera yubukirano boga sensemeri yejikosoli nochikonywa na Sultan obangi ajiko kweresa kimani yo yanyaritheke gukorwa chigoli isato aseyemo egakora mangana akaba mambo ni matatu ayo na sensemo yejikosoli nochikomanyigu na obangi Sultan yekoraga chienseyemo aliyekroba aletire emanye Jumatatu tigango tigerabo kotena gendera kuliria Ndizi TV na Rwansuma usinyora ndora sensemo yemitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital boiga sensemo ya YouTube na botonyora Ndizi TV News onyo achinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi TV News kolende kerengeli kyao kenda kurutuma gwetera se number era se screen igora bungwa kirambia mono bali bana kipena mangana ya gocheira senjera ya bene oyolenga sensemeli ye studio kwene kuna mali ogine chivicha gocheira senjera bene mbetro abigairi nyanja mekerwa baba terana la temo kerobale ngeji producer jane nge na bwa di producer ibere asemaro wa boniga la temo amo na abigairi nyanja macho shouta ningarenga sensemeli yo munwe manyero eliana buna botambe Brighton Makori ngote na twaro buriru beme ya Ndizi TV na Rwansuma usi tumira nangyo asomoroberio bwensake karuto chikoria mangana yobocheno.